Chapter 1, Mishnah 5. This Mishnah lists another law that is shared by Gittin and freedom documents for slaves, but not by other kinds of documents. This law involves the Kuthians, a pagan group that converted to Judaism but did not keep the mitzvahs properly. The Mishnah discusses whether they can serve as witnesses for legal documents. Any document that has the signature of a Kuthian witness is invalid, because Kuthians generally do not observe the mitzvahs properly and therefore cannot be trusted to be witnesses. This is true for all documents except for Gittin of women and freedom documents of slaves, which are valid even if one of the witnesses is a Kuthian, provided that the other witness is an eligible Jew, because both witnesses of a get or freedom document must sign in each other's presence, and the Jew would not have signed together with the Kuthian had he not known that this particular Kuthian was a reliable witness. According to the above opinion, even a get or freedom document is invalid if both of its witnesses are Kuthians. The Gemara on page 10b teaches that the Mishnah is missing the following words, which must be inserted. However, Rabban Gamliel disagrees with the first Tana and approves a get or freedom document even when both its witnesses are Kuthians. The Mishnah then supports this statement. And it indeed happened that they brought before Rabban Gamliel in Kfar Osnai a woman's get on which both the witnesses were Kuthians, and Rabban Gamliel approved it. According to Rabban Gamliel, Kuthians are careful to observe the laws of Gittin and freedom documents, and thus may serve as witnesses for them. Another law in which Gittin and freedom documents differ from other documents. All documents that are processed in courts of idolaters, even though the witnesses who sign them are idolaters, are valid, except for Gittin of women and freedom documents of slaves, which are valid only if they are signed by Jews and processed in a Jewish court. Since most documents simply record an event, the courts are trusted for this purpose. However, Gittin and freedom documents actually bring into effect the divorce or emancipation. Only a get processed in a Jewish court has the power to do this. Rabbi Shimon disagrees. Rabbi Shimon says even these Gittin and freedom documents signed by idolaters are valid, as long as they were given to the wife or slave in the presence of two valid Jewish witnesses. These documents were not said to be invalid except when they were made privately by idolaters who are not judges. However, if they were done in a court of idolaters, they are valid.